Impulse SV400. Built for power, precision, and performance on the job site. Designed to tackle reinforced concrete piles with square cross-sections, it delivers clean, fast cuts while keeping the internal reinforcement untouched. Its innovative pyramidal cutting tool doesn't just slice, it breaks through concrete with purpose, crushing material while protecting structural integrity. The SV400 is a productivity beast, capable of handling hundreds of piles in a single shift. Built from ultra-durable alloy steels, it stands up to the toughest site conditions without flinching. Quiet, reliable, and highly efficient, it works hard without causing cracks below the cut or creating a noisy disruption. Whether you're working in tight spaces or wide-open projects, the Impulse SV400 turns demanding pile-cutting tasks into smooth, repeatable operations. ARROWLIFT by Failsafe House Lifting Systems is a modern steel-based structural lifting system designed to raise buildings for foundation work, relocation, or disaster recovery. Each airlift tower supports 20 tons, allowing a standard setup of 4 towers to lift 80 tons, with the option to add more towers for greater capacity. Unlike traditional hydraulic jacking and wooden cribbing, which are labor-intensive and restrict excavation access, ARROWLIFT offers a safer, more efficient alternative. Its continuous drive system allows for a seamless lift of up to 25 feet without resetting, creating an open, unobstructed workspace beneath the structure. Compared to older methods, this design significantly reduces manual labor, boosts productivity, and improves safety. The system is easy to assemble around a building's exterior, and with proper training, any skilled contractor can use it. ARROWLIFT makes structural lifting more accessible, streamlined, and future-ready for the industry. AggreFill, the go-to solution for fixing large potholes, up to 10 square feet wide and 2.36 inches deep. Pair it with chip fill from Jevico for a durable, long-lasting road repair. Chip fill is a thermoplastic granule product applied hot with a gas burner, bonding strongly with asphalt when heated above 220 degrees Celsius. It sets in just 20 minutes, letting traffic resume quickly. You only need a burner and a few simple tools for application. Winter damage? Chip fill stops small cracks from growing, unlike cold patches that don't bond as well. It's easy to use and highly effective, making it ideal for both quick fixes and preventive maintenance. Plus, it's cost-efficient, minimizing future road damage saves on long-term repair costs. Together, AggreFill and chip fill enhance strength and flexibility in road maintenance. Pricing varies, but currently, a 26-pound bag of chip fill costs around $45, depending on packaging and promotions. PTH House is at the forefront of the expandable prefab housing industry, delivering innovative, adaptable living solutions tailored for modern urban environments. As a pioneer in modular construction, PTH offers rapidly assembled, eco-conscious structures that are built to last and designed for versatility. Their customizable homes, offices, and specialty buildings are engineered with a modular approach, allowing users to configure layouts based on spatial demands or personal taste. What sets these prefab homes apart is their efficient use of space. Features like collapsible partitions, integrated fold-out furnishings, and dynamic room layouts make them ideal for maximizing functionality without compromising comfort. Built to endure, PTH expandable houses are constructed to resist harsh weather, including high winds and seismic activity, ensuring safety and reliability. With urban density on the rise, these compact yet sturdy dwellings offer a smart, sustainable path forward. Orit B.V Egaliner, your go-to tool when precision and efficiency matter most. Whether you're prepping a garden, laying down gravel, or shaping a landscape, this versatile screeding system makes leveling quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. Built for comfort and designed to tackle both small-scale and heavy-duty tasks, the Egaliner glides across surfaces with ease, no more back-breaking guesswork. With rugged construction, smart design features, and a durable powder-coated finish, it's clear why professionals trust it to get the job done right. Plus, it's built to last, with a generous warranty and the ability to adapt to a wide range of materials and conditions. From smooth paths to sharp edges, the Egaliner helps you create clean, level results every time. Star 5. A specialized waterproofing system based on bitumen technology, designed specifically for flat roofs and terraces. Its multi-layer structure provides long-lasting durability while remaining easy to apply, making it ideal for both new construction and renovation projects. The system begins with a solvent-based primer that seals the substrate, preparing it for the waterproofing layers. The first layer is a self-adhesive elastomeric bitumen sheet that offers primary waterproof protection. Reinforcement strips are applied to critical areas like corners for extra durability. Next, an additional elastomeric bitumen layer with an integrated anti-root agent is applied, making the system suitable for green or planted terraces. The final layer is an embossed aluminum reinforced bitumen sheet, ensuring a strong and durable finish. Star 5 resists fatigue, indentation, and temperature changes, supports slopes from 0 to 20%, and works with different substrates, including wood and concrete. Tecla Tor Alva. In the Swiss village of Milegens, Tor Alva rises, a 98-ton 3D printed tower designed as a cultural hub for art, music, and theater. Visitors climb a spiral staircase through 32 hollow, rebar-reinforced columns to reach a chamber stage at the top. Created by Fondation Origin and inspired by the craftsmanship of local Baroque builders, the tower aims to revive this alpine community. Built using robotic concrete extrusion in collaboration with PTH Zurich, Tor Alva eliminates waste by printing only where needed, no formwork required. Its sculpted concrete plays with light by day and glows like a lantern at night along the Julier Pass. Fully demountable, the structure embodies sustainable design and will be disassembled in 2029. Launched in 2021 and set to complete in 2024, it joins projects like Tecla in proving how digital fabrication can redefine architecture with beauty, efficiency, and innovation. Naue Bentofix. An advanced geosynthetic clay liner, GCL, developed by Naue GmbH and Company. KG for high-performance containment in environmental and civil engineering. It features high-swelling sodium bentonite encapsulated between durable geotextiles, creating a powerful hydraulic barrier ideal for landfills, mining, and wastewater sites. The clay swells on contact with water, sealing any gaps for a self-healing effect. Its needle punch design boosts shear resistance and stability on slopes and tough terrain, while the thermal lock process enhances long-term strength. Supplied in wide rolls with self-sealing overlaps, Bentofix speeds up installation and reduces labor. Available in variants like X, X-Green, Carbopol, and Carbopol X, it combines low permeability, high durability, and international certifications, BBA, ISO 9001, C. Bentofix outperforms traditional liners, making it the smart choice for reliable, long-term containment. NOMAD Cube. A 15 by 15 foot modular tiny home crafted for fast, affordable setup. Designed with efficiency in mind, it includes essential modern features such as a bathroom, a kitchen, and a loft area that serves as extra storage or sleeping space. Its vaulted ceiling and expansive windows enhance natural lighting and help the compact space feel open and airy. Built for sustainability, Nomad homes offer off-grid living options with solar power, rainwater harvesting, and integrated wastewater systems. Each home is constructed from tough, 3D printed steel panels, resistant to fire, severe weather, and pests, ensuring long-term durability. Shipped globally in flat pack form, similar to IKEA, the homes are easy to transport and assemble. Owners can build it themselves or bring in a contractor. Flexible designs allow for semi-customization and modular extensions to grow the space as needed. Eurobrick X-Clad system. The Eurobrick X-Clad system combines the classic appearance of brickwork with modern building performance. Designed for both new construction and retrofit projects, it offers a smart solution for improving energy efficiency without compromising on style. X-Clad uses advanced insulation panels that support brick slips and other finishes, making it suitable for a wide range of structures, including timber, steel, and masonry. Its lightweight design allows for quick installation with minimal disruption, and it doesn't require deep foundations or heavy groundwork. Ideal for preserving architectural character, X-Clad is often used in heritage renovations and extensions where aesthetics matter. Whether upgrading older buildings or designing new ones, X-Clad delivers the look of traditional brick with the benefits of modern insulation, low maintenance, improved energy performance, and long-lasting durability. Bullfrog Trac II by Burst Manufacturing is a modern concrete finishing tool built for performance and ease. Unlike traditional bull floats that rely on long handles, this system operates with a rope pull method, making it much easier to guide, especially in confined areas or over wide surfaces. Its tilt mechanism adjusts automatically during use, delivering a smooth, level finish without extra effort. For even greater convenience, the Bullfrog Trac II is also available in a motorized M-Series version. This upgraded model reduces physical labor and includes a battery alert and auto-tilt system, improving efficiency across larger jobs. Both models offer a choice of float styles, C-channel or flat rib, to handle different slab textures. With its handle-free setup and flexible design, the Bullfrog Trac II is a valuable solution for concrete professionals looking to improve surface quality and work smarter on demanding projects. Agriculture Dome. A breakthrough in modern farming, agriculture domes like those from Grandpa Company and Japan Dome House Company are reshaping how we grow food. These geodesic structures use state-of-the-art horticultural systems in fully controlled environments to address major agricultural issues such as climate instability, labor shortages, and food supply risks. Inside the Grandpa Dome, crops are cultivated on a moving spiral system that maximizes space and minimizes manual labor. Advanced automation handles temperature, lighting, and humidity, ensuring plants thrive year-round. Energy-efficient LEDs and sealed conditions keep pests and extreme weather at bay, boosting sustainability. By combining smart technology with futuristic design, agriculture domes represent a scalable, climate-resilient farming model that could redefine the future of food production. EDMAPLAC Mega Board Lifter. A professional-grade tool designed for versatile plasterboard installation. Whether you're working on flat ceilings, angled raked ceilings, or upright wall applications, this lifter is built to handle a variety of positions with ease. Its sturdy construction ensures it can support heavy materials, making it ideal for demanding tasks on site. The dual-handle braking system offers reliable control with a main brake and an additional safety brake, allowing panels to be lowered smoothly and securely. It's powered by a rack and pinion mechanism operated by a standard drill, providing a low-effort, high-efficiency lifting experience, built for strength and ease of use. The EDMAPLAC Megaboard Lifter helps professionals get the job done faster and safer. From construction sites to renovation projects, it's a dependable solution for handling plasterboard installations with confidence and control. France Tiny House. Known for its signature colors, this small home reflects France's growing movement toward eco-conscious, minimalist, and mobile living. Across the country, more builders are crafting tiny houses between 10 and 30 square meters, offering a sustainable and affordable lifestyle shift. These compact homes sit on trailers and weigh between 2 and 3.5 tons, using eco-responsible materials like aluminum cladding, cedar, and thermally modified pine for strength and weather resistance. Natural insulation, including wood fiber and sheep's wool, boosts energy efficiency. Many models support off-grid life with features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and composting toilets. Interiors are smartly designed with multipurpose furniture, elevated sleeping lofts, and space-saving bathrooms. One leader in this niche, Tiny House, specializes in custom-built ecological units that serve various needs, from mobile residences to creative studios, maximizing space with style. BT75. A specialized concrete edging machine built for finishing around walls, columns, and other tight areas where precision is key. Designed to get as close to the edge as possible, it features a protective ring that rotates freely with a rubber guard to prevent damage to both the surface and the machine. This smart design allows for efficient operation near boundaries without leaving marks or requiring additional touch-ups. The blades and finishing pan are aligned directly under the ring, ensuring a smooth finish all the way to the perimeter. This significantly cuts down on manual work, reducing the time spent on hands and knees while increasing job site productivity. Available in both gas-powered and electric models, each version includes a folding handle to simplify transport and storage. Whether you're working in tight residential spaces or on detailed commercial projects, the BT75 offers a reliable, labor-saving solution for high-quality concrete edge finishing.